Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add flicker effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click new project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video like this, but in this video I wanna add a flicker effect on this video. So just click on the effect at the bottom, click video effect, and at the menu you can click on the frame. This frame, this one, click on it. And after this you can swipe to down until you can see a flicker, this one. So just click on it and click check icon. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add the flicker effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.